Hey there, it's E Squared Photography. I'm Erin.
And I'm Emily, and we are here to keep things simple and fun.
Have you ever showed up to a senior guys session and you completely freeze up because you have maybe two poses and you're like, I can't even remember where to go? Or maybe you spend hours before the session on Pinterest trying to find ideas, still freezing up when you get to the session? Well, we're here to show you a little behind the scenes of what it looks like and how we simplify our senior guys session and the posing we do with them.
And make sure to stay all the way till the end because we have something special just for you.
We promise to have you entering your next senior guy session feeling super confident with all of the poses that you can offer to them.
If you like these videos and for more photography tips and tricks, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell for notifications of future videos.
All right, so we're gonna dive right in and show you a little sneak behind our senior session with Tanner. Take a look.
Hey guys, it's E Squared. I'm Emily.
And I'm Erin.
And we are here at Tanner's session, and we are going to show you a little behind the scenes on how we pose male seniors. So enjoy.
Okay, I am gonna have you come right over here. I'm thinking right about here. I'm gonna be shooting from over there. So you're gonna lean just like this, and you'll put this outside hand in your pocket. And with your legs, maybe cross like one just back here. Or just let's see what's comfortable for you. Maybe put them both straight. Kind of like, yeah, that's better. Okay, yep, and so that hand in your pocket. And you're gonna smile here for the first one. Okay, I'm gonna come a little bit closer. Now I want you to look off this way and just go serious, yep. Okay, good. Now I'm gonna have you actually lean, and you're gonna lean your back to the wall with both hands in your pockets. And when you lean, you're actually gonna lean like your whole head back, and you're gonna look down this way at me. And let's start by smiling. Just like that, yeah, that looks good. And then let's go serious. And let's look straight out and keep that serious face. Chin down just a little bit. All right, good.
Okay, so I'm going to have you do something in front of this door because it's really cool. So I'm going to have you put your feet shoulder width apart. One foot's going to be slightly in front of the other, and your shoulders are going to be square to the camera. Hands in your back pockets, and then you're going to lean just slightly forward and smile at the camera to start. Okay. Perfect. Now let's do a serious one. Awesome. Now look, whatever way you'd rather look. Look, yep, perfect. Very cool. Now I'm going to have you actually come sit on the curb here with one leg up and one leg extended out. And then just relax your arm on top of it. Good, perfect. And then grab your wrist with the other one. Good. Okay, let's smile here first. Awesome, now let's do a serious. And now let's look away. Okay, so keep your feet the same way, but now with your, that hand that's on there, let's put it like under your chin and just kind of grab, and then the other hand just relax like you have it. Yep, that's cool. Let's just do a serious with this one. And now let's do a serious looking away. And then now look straight out to the road. Super cool. Awesome, perfect. Okay, so we're gonna start with a walking pose here, and what I'm gonna have you do is I'm gonna have you put one hand in your pocket, it doesn't matter which one, and put your thumb out, and then you're gonna walk this direction about this speed, and you're just gonna smile right at the camera as you're walking this way. And I'm gonna be over here, so. Okay, ready and go. Perfect, keep coming. Perfect, okay now, oh that's cool. Okay, now let's come back. And this time, as you're walking, you're gonna keep your hand in your pocket, you're gonna smile at me, and then you're gonna look towards the road and smile. Back to me, to the road, back to me. Okay, ready, go. Perfect. Yes, perfect. Good, okay. Now, this time we're gonna do it serious. So you're gonna do a serious pose, walking, one hand in pocket, look at me serious, look at the road, me, the road. Okay, go. Oh yeah, that looks cool. Awesome, perfect. Okay. Okay, now I'm gonna have you do a sitting pose. So you can just sit wherever here. And you're gonna sit with, I'm gonna say this leg up and this leg straight. And I'm gonna be shooting, I might shoot straight on or I might shoot this way. And then you're just gonna relax this hand up. And with this hand, let's just lay it down on your lap for now. Oh yeah, this is cool. Perfect. Okay, now smile. And now let's look at the road with a serious look. That's cool. Oh yeah, I like that. Okay, now with your right hand, grab your left wrist. Yep, and now look here, serious. And now smile. And now let's look serious this direction, even further. That's cool. Okay, now I just want to take one from right here. So look straight at me. And now look that direction again, serious. And now smile back at me. Yes, that's perfect, good. All right, we're gonna do a squatting pose. So I'm actually gonna have you come up here, right about there. And when I say squat, I mean you're just gonna kind of go down and squat like you would comfortably. And relax your hands just like that, yeah, perfect. Okay, for this first one, I'm gonna have you look this way and smile. Okay, now I'm gonna step back a little bit. Let's keep that same pose. Okay, and then let's have you look away a little bit with a serious face there. Okay, let's try this with your left hand. Actually, let's try with your right hand maybe. You're gonna bring it up and kind of like right by your forehead there. Perfect. And you're gonna go serious. Okay, let's smile now. Awesome. Okay, let's use this ledge right here. So first let's have you're gonna hop up here and stand, and I'm gonna have you lean your right shoulder against the wall. Okay, and then, yeah, let's just relax that. Hand in pocket, let's do your thumb out. And for this, and relax your fingers on the right-hand side. And then for this first one, let's just have you go serious, because that looks really neat. Ooh, this is gonna be cool. Getting a really far away shot. Okay, now let's have you smile here. Now let's go serious again and just look away. Okay, now I'm gonna come a little bit closer. You can keep that pose and look away. And I'm actually gonna come down. It's gonna be a different view. Okay, now smile down here. Awesome, now let's have you hop down and you're gonna sit on the edge. And let's have you put one foot up. And just put your hands right next to you and just relax your fingers a little bit and then melt your shoulders down just a little bit. Okay, now let's have you smile. And now let's look down a little bit over here. Just serious. Perfect. All right, I'm gonna have you actually stand all the way out to here and right out in front of the gray brick right there. And you're gonna have one foot slightly in front of the other and put both of your hands in your pockets just like that. And then I am gonna have you lean a little bit forward, just slightly forward, and smile right here. Oh, this is gonna look nice. Okay, let's go serious now. And let's just look away right over there, yeah. Perfect. Okay, now let's have you take one hand out of your pocket and you're gonna, well, actually take both hands out of your pockets and let's have you grab your arm kind of down here by your forearm more, just like that and straight on. Oh, let's have you smile. Perfect. Okay, so we hope you enjoyed that and we hope that that was really helpful for you and it simplified things. And just notice as we went through that, how many different poses we got in just one of the outfits. He's gonna have so much in his gallery just from that one location, one pose that we did with the outfits. Now, comment below and let us know what pose that we did with Tanner or something we did with Tanner that you wanna try with one of your senior guys.
All right, so we created something just for you to help simplify the process. So you can, in our description, find a link for a free little cheat sheet all about posing and planning your next session. Don't forget to download that. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and share with a friend so we know to make more videos just like this one.
Make sure, if you haven't, to check out previous videos that we've posted about senior girl posing and behind the scenes for senior girls. And we will see you guys next time.